Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations, demonstrating this fantastic S-backed, comfortable, reclining KingCamp chair that's for big people like me and little people like my wife. Now this thing will recline, so well, very nice, and it has a lot of lumbar support. You can move it back up, sit up straight, and this thing is just a great chair. Now, if you're looking to carry it around, it does have the carrying strap, easy to use, and straightforward design. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off with a fantastic video. Now, one of the things I like most about this chair is obviously it's got a great carrying section right there. You can put your soda in there, you can put your stuff in there, put whatever you need, but the thing that I like most, obviously the overall quality. Yeah, that's right. This is material that's built to last. It's not going to wear out in the sun very easily. A lot of material isn't going to last over season after season, but this one's making a real difference. On top of that, look at the sturdy legs on it. This thing is built to support some weight. Look at this. Now, the design has made it lightweight for carrying around, but this, even with my 225-pound frame, has no problem with this, not even the slightest bend to it. So yeah, folks, if you're looking for something absolutely fantastic, something with a high quality design, well, KingCamp has you covered. And just look at the stitching. The quality to the stitching here is fantastic. Durable. This reminds me of Carhartt, how they have high quality stuff that's stain resistance. Now, on top of all of that, the S-shaped lumbar design is built to help your back. It's got plenty of carrying compartments here for storage, which is really nice. You don't see that in every chair. And they've thought about just about everything. Now, KingCamp is a premier brand that's been around and built to last. I'm a big fan. You've seen me talk about a lot of their products. Well, I love their stuff. And this is one that just looks good. Now, whether you're going out to a soccer game, a football game, you want to bring your own chair, or you just want to sit out at the lake like I'm doing, this is a perfect chair for me. And I can't understate how nice this lumbar support is, the back support is. Those straight backs are going to put a lot of pressure on different parts of your back. This evenly distributes that pressure to where you can really get a great feel. On top of all that, available in two colors. You can get that black or the tan, which kind of matches my cat who you hear in the background. That's Honey Cat. So folks, if you're looking for something fan-dang-tastic, this is indeed the chair for you. And now folks, another thing I like about this, a lot of chairs in an uneven environment, on grass and ground, they're likely to tip. But this is a very sturdy design with wide legs where you don't have to worry about it rocking back and forth or tipping. Even if you get it all the way back and you want to stretch out, well, guess what? This is a great chair. You're not going to have to worry about it. So whether you're out at the lake like I am, again, at a basketball game, a football game, bringing your own chair or whatever it is, this is a perfect chair for you. This is great for all seasons, all weather, and it's so comfortable. So again, we're gonna go around it one last time up close and personal so you can get a real feel for it. But this is a high quality chair, great design, great look, and it's absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, I'm gonna give you one last go around. This is a KingCamp chair, high quality. You can see the ducks over here are watching. They seem to love it as well. And this is a beautiful chair with a great design. We're talking high quality, great stitching, great material that doesn't show stains, cleans easily, and you can wipe it off. It's not gonna have issues with getting a little wet in the rainy season like we have right now. And yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful chair. So if you're looking for something to, a big pocket for holding your stuff, absolutely perfect. If you're looking for something that's easy to carry around, this can't be beat. Great for outdoors, beautiful design, collapsible, reclinable, and ergonomic design and shape. So folks, yeah, go ahead. I want to show you, look at the fine craftsmanship on even the arms. the high quality metal, the great stain resistant fabric that isn't going to wear out in the sun because it's extra thick, and it's still lightweight. All right, folks. KingCamp, great for camping, great for the outdoors. Wildlife, no problem. KingCamp is the place to be, whether it's for your hunting blind or just looking at the animals on the lake. This is a great chair, which you're absolutely going to appreciate. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Goodbye, my friends.